to my channel, Rabbani 110Z.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Let me explain TONSON Air Motor. Compressed air enter an eccentric rotor chamber pushing against sliding vanes to turn the drive shaft. High speed, lightweight and compact application required up to 9.5 HP and operating speed between 300 to 10,000 RPM. Reversible direction option for up to 8 vanes for smooth torque output, dual shaft option and planetary warm gear reduction gearbox. Operating speed and torque are easily adjusted in real time simply by throttling the air intake valve or adjusting air pressure via a regulator. Most models can be switched instantly from forward to reverse using a simple four-way direction control valve. You can use chemical, pharmaceutical, food processing. Okay, this is information. Assalamu alaikum.
Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel Rabbani 110Z.